street somewhere a million miles away. You look like you wanna try the same.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this guava flan that we're going to be making today is the perfect dessert because it's creamy, it's tart, it's so tropical, but most importantly, it's a breeze to put together like all of my recipes. Let's get started. Alright, so to start this guava flan, it's very simple. All I'm doing is cracking 5 eggs into my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and then add a 14-ounce can of evaporated milk. 1/2 cup of sugar is going in, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm finishing this off with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and an 8-ounce bar of room temperature cream cheese. To give this flan its delicious guava taste, I'm adding cut up guava paste. This could be found in your Latin supermarkets. I found this one imported from Brazil at Cost Plus World Markets. Blend this all together either with your food processor or your blender, and this part is optional. If you want to give this a really pretty pink color, you can go ahead and add a tad bit of some rose food coloring. And once this is all incorporated, I'm going to push this off to the side and I'm going to be starting the caramel sauce. The caramel which this flan will bake into couldn't be any simpler to make. This is 1 cup of sugar going into my saucepan, and I'm going to be slowly melting this down on a medium heat until it's fully melted. Move the saucepan around a few times and be sure not to get that caramel too dark in color, because if this burns, this will taste a bit bitter. Once all that sugar is melted, pour this into your pan. This will make a 9-inch circle flan or 10 6-ounce cups. Pour the custard filling on top of that caramel, and I'm going to cover this with foil and place it into another pan which has some water on the bottom of it. This is going to ensure a nice custard texture. Now bake this for about 45 minutes until it's no longer jiggly, and this flan will be love at first bites. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for future videos.
Like you wanna try